for HIV expressions.
Thank you. If you introduce yourself, you have to come closer to the camera so that we can actually hear your audio. It's hard when you're very far away. But how many introductions do we have left?
One.
Okay, Sawa.
Okay, how are you everyone?
Hi.
I think you can see me. My name is Ruben
Yeah.
Kipling, formerly FBI, but now I'm in Pillar 1 in population health. So what we are doing is, my main job in population health, one is to identify the needs of the individuals in the community as far as economic empowerment is concerned. So I work with this great team in this program so that at the end of the day, our farmers are benefiting. Thank you.
Thank you.
So those are my teammates that work together. And my name is Vilha. I'm the one who will be coordinating. I'm in Bunyala, and we'll be doing this for the rest of the meetings that we'll be having, meaning next month. We finish doing the training and then they can ask the questions. Maybe you can give us a guideline on that.
Great. So Daniel, let's start with the training part.
Yeah, I was mute. I think, Jacob, the floor is yours. You can start so that after about 45 minutes, we can come in with the principles. But the floor is yours. You can go ahead.
Excellent. So welcome to everybody in the hall over there. I see you all wearing masks and COVID is still going on. So I hope you all stay safe. And also hello to Seed Savers Network Kenya, whom I know very well because we have cooperated and partnered a lot over the last couple of years. So let me just briefly introduce myself before I move into the topic of today, which is how plants can help in the garden and in the farm with fighting diseases and pests and how things work together in an interesting way. I've been doing permaculture for the last many years, and I care a lot about the issue of integrated pest management because I believe that we can do it naturally. I believe that nature has found a way that we can imitate, that we can model our gardens and our farms after in a way that we don't have to rely on pesticides and fungicides and herbicides and all of these things, which are ultimately detrimental to human health and to the health of the ecosystem. So I'm very much an advocate of organic farming and very much an advocate of finding organic, natural solutions to the problems that farmers are facing. And right now I'm speaking to you from my garden in Nairobi, Kenya, where I do, I lost you for a second. I'm talking to you from my garden in Nairobi, Kenya, where I do a lot of experimentation, and the results I then bring to places like Seed Savers Network in Gilgil. And later on in this presentation, we are going to watch a brief video also about my garden and also a second one about the Seed Savers Network demonstration site, because I also run a small YouTube channel where I visit inspiring places and where I document some of the learnings in organic farming and permaculture. So with that, let's jump straight into the topic of today, which is integrated pest management and how plants can really work together to create the results that we want. And the first thing I want to point out is that we really need to emphasize I think I lost the group. Yeah, Daniel, I think I lost them. Do you have them in your group?
Oh, they're back. I can see they're back. Yeah.
Okay,
back.
Now you're back.
Okay, I hope we we can connect in a way that if we lose you in one way, we can have you back in another. I don't know how, maybe 2 points, but okay.
It's okay. So every time I don't see you on the screen, I will just stop talking and I'll just pick up where I left. Anyways, now let's jump straight into the topic. And the first thing I want to point out is that we need to really value diversity. So everything in nature starts with diverse ecosystems. And one of the main problems for why we have such pest pressures and issues on farms and even small gardens is that we don't have enough diversity on the farms. So what I see often is that people only grow 1 or 2 things, or they grow everything, you know, in a straight line, or they, you know, kind of deplete the soil in ways that are unhealthy because they do monoculture. And all of those practices are not very healthy for the farm, not very healthy for the soil, and not very healthy for the ecosystem and for the ecosystem health. And all of those things together are actually the keys to have successful integrated pest management. So IPM for me really starts with a diverse ecosystem in our gardens, in our farms, in our edible landscapes. So anywhere I go, be it my own garden or be it Seed Savers or be it other farmers groups that we work with, we stress the importance of diversity. And that means growing many, many different plants in the same spot so that the different plants can help each other with fighting off pests. Now, let me, maybe, Daniel, I try to share my screen and we just watch a few minutes of a video that I made about my own garden, so I don't have to run around and lose you on Wi-Fi issues and stuff. Daniel, would that be okay if I did, if I shared my screen now?
Yeah, you can share, Jacob.
Okay. So now